Muthenya wa keri na wa muthia kaunti-ini ya Githumo, President Kenyatta arokire mucii kwa Raila Odinga mugunda-ini wa Opoda mwena wa Bondo. Guku ni marianiire na manyuanira hamwe, na thutha ucio moha thabari nginya thukuru-ini wa Jaramogi Oginga Odinga University kuria kuma na igongona ria gatandatu ria kuhumba arutwo thumbi. Mari guku ona matinatigwo na thutha, ni mahumbirwo thumbi cia mathomo ma kiriu kumana na wira uria marutire bururi. Thutha ucio onake President Kenyatta atugwo. Marieri maugire matikunoga ni gutheremia wendo bururi-ini.
The handshake and the support for it that followed was a demonstration of our determination as a nation to learn from past mistakes and missteps and prepare to be great.
I pledge to continue working strongly with my brother Raila and indeed with all Kenyans to continue to build a safer, more united, prosperous Kenya with equity for all.
When we look into our past, we will notice that what have worked for us are unity, focus, and determination. When we wanted independence from colonialists, we united and focused on it, and we won.
Ona kuhana roguo President Kenyatta augite ngwataniro ino ndikuhutia bara yake ya kuhurana na ungumania, uguo turia nime twiharirie guthie njera.
I wish also to emphasize the need for prudent utilization of public resources. We must ensure that the resources that are within our control are strictly used for the intended purposes.
Riri nirio icera ria mbere ria President Kenyatta kaunti-ini ya Githumo kuma riria magithanirie ngeithi cia thayu tariki 9 mweri wa gatatu mwaka uyu turi. Icera ria President Kenyatta ria thikũ igĩrĩ kaunti-ini ya Githumo rigikinya muthia, mwihoko ni ati ciiraniro cirutithania wa wira na ngwataniro iria ciiranĩirwo thiini wa kaunti ino ni ikuhinga, undu uria uguikia bururi wa Kenya mbere hari mabũrũri ma gĩtarũ kia Africa na nginya thĩ yothe handu ya rũma. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Githumo, njitagwo Mũriũki wa Mũcoki.